These are the brand new elevators at the JW Marriott in Tampa, Florida. Oh, and we got this one right here waiting for us. But before we start, let's just take a look at this lobby. There are your COVID protocols. There's your directory. And here are all the elevators. We've got 6 of them. And there's also this one. But we're gonna ride this one first, since it's just waiting for us. Let's go to 27. Oh, 26. Here we go. And the indicator isn't showing all the floors that the elevator passes. It took a while for it to change to 26. While we're up here, we are gonna get a nice view. They're doing a lot of construction over here. We will be heading back down. There's your directory. So here's a little look down the hall. This is a very nice hotel. We got one. Oh, it's going up? No, it's going down now. This one does not have a rear door. I believe the one we rode first is the only one with the rear door. Instead of pressing the button on the touchscreen, let's press it on the keypad. And there, it selected one for us. So here's your cab view. Oh, we're stopping. I'm just gonna get off here actually. So we're here at 17. Again, it's the hotel floor. We're gonna call another one down. You've got music coming from a speaker right up there. And again, there's your view from a little lower down, 9 floors further down. Hi. We're gonna head right back to the elevators. So again, there's a look at them. We're gonna ride this one, because why not? So we're gonna go up to 26. This time I'm gonna try to capture both the keypad and the touchscreen in the same shot. So 26. And there you go. You saw it happen. So again, these are very smooth elevators. And this one, the indicator changes for every floor. I wonder why the other one acted differently. All right, this time we are going to press the handicap button.
Selected the accessibility mode of operation. Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel.
We're moving.
1, 2, 3, 4. 26.
Well, we're gonna get
floor
it.
4.
We're gonna go back down to 1 and end the video there. Now we're on 22, and these elevators seem busy, but as expected, this is a hotel with 27 or at least 26 stories. I'm not sure what the 27th floor is, but yeah, here we are on 22. And there's your directory. Oh, which one is it? This one. And we got to ourselves. So we're gonna do the same thing we did before. Press 1, and there you have it. I wonder, can you hit, does this serve any basements? If you hit, like, say, -1, what would it do? Access denied. But it's interesting that there is a minus sign on the keypad. Yeah, and if you tap your floor again, this doesn't have the Mitsubishi call cancel, but these are still pretty cool regardless. All right, we are gonna end it down here. And that'll be it.